Good morning children. Today 4th class mathematics. Today we are discussing about that is exercise 6.6. It is in your textbook page number 114. Yesterday already we are discussing that test of divisibility rules. Using the test of divisibility rules, today we have to check the given example numbers are divisible by this or not. If it is divisible by this particular number above what did they given, keep tick mark. If it is not divisible, keep wrong mark. Okay. Here, first they given 236 divisible by 2 or not, you have to check. When it is becoming as easy means if you are perfect in divisibility rules, then it becoming as easy. First of all, what is the divisibility by 2 rules? In the ones place, even number is there means it is divisible by 2. Check the ones place. 6. 6 is the even number. So it is divisible. Okay. Next 3. What do you mean by 3? Sum of the digits divisible by 3. First one. 2 plus 3 plus 6. 2 plus 3 how much? 5. 5 plus 6? 11. 11 not coming in the 3 table. So it is not divisible. 11 not divisible. Not divided by 3. Okay. So it is not divisible. And 4 means last two numbers means 1's place and 10's place two numbers are zeros. Are the two numbers are divisible by 4. Last two numbers are 36. You will get 36 in the 4 table. When you will get read one's 4 table. 4 5 20, 4 6 24, 4 7 28, 4 8 32, 4 9 36. It will come. Okay. 4 9 36. So it is divisible by 4. 4 9 36. So it is divisible by 4. Next 5. What is the divisibility by 5 rule? 1's place should be 0 or 5. But here 6 is there. Not divisible. Divisibility by 6 rule what? Compulsory it is divisible by 2 and 3. Then only divisible by 6. Here 2 is divisible, 3 is not divisible. Means automatically 6 also not divisible. Next 9. Sum of the digits 9 also. 3 plus 2 plus 6 is equal to 11. 11 not coming in the 9 table. Why? Because 9 ones 9, 9 twos 18. So it is not divisible. Divisible by 10 rule. 1's place should be 0. But here 6 is there. It is not divisible. Already they explained the first one. They given in your textbook. Okay. Same like this. Second one also you have to check. 831. 1's place 1 is there. So not divisible. Why? Because 1 is not a even number. Divisible by 3. That is sum of the digits. 8 plus 3 plus 1. 8 plus 3. 8 in the mind. Take 3 fingers. 8 after 9, 10, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. In 3 table we will get 12. When it will come? 3 fours, 12. So it is divisible by 3. Next, fourth one. 31 is there. But we won't get 31 in the 4 table. 4 8 32. Not coming. So not divisible by 4. 5. 1's place should be 0 or 5. But here 1 is there. So it is also not divisible. Divisible by 6. Compulsory it is divisible by 2 and divisible by 3. But here 2 not satisfied. 3 1 only divisible. So 6 also not divisible. Divisible by 9. That is sum of the digits. 8 plus 3 plus 1 is equal to 12. 12 will come in the 9 table. Not coming. So, it is also not divisible by 12. Why? Because 12 not divisible by 9. And 10. 1's place 1 is there. So, it is also not divisible. Same like this. Third one. 1024. 1's place 4 is there. 4 is an even number. It is divisible by 2. Next, third one. That is divisible by 3. Sum of the digits. 1 place, 0 place, 2 place, 4. How much? 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 4. 3 in the mind, take 4 fingers. 3 after, 5, 6, 7, 8. See here 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 4. 3 in the mind, take 4 fingers. 3 after, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is not divisible by 3. Why? Because 7 not coming in the 3 table. It is not divisible. Divisible by 4. Last 2 digits 24. 4 5 is 20. 4 6 24. So it is divisible. 5. 1 plus 0 or 5 should be there. But here 4 is there. Not divisible. Divisible by 6. Compulsory divisible by 2 and 3. 2 divisible, 3 not divisible. 6 also not divisible. Next, 9. Sum of the digits again. 1 plus, 0 plus, 2 plus 4 is equal to 7. 7 is not divisible by 9. 1's place 4 is there. 10 also not divisible. Next, fourth one. Fourth one, that is 1's place 6 is there. 6 is divisible by 2. Why? Because it is a even number. So total number is divisible by 2. Next, 3 means sum of the digits. 1 place, 2 place, 9 place, 6. Add these numbers here. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 9. 3 in the mind, take 9 fingers. 3 after, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 plus 6. 12 in the mind, take 6 fingers. 12 after, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. The answer is here 18. 18 will come in the 3 table. 3 5 is 15, 3 6, 18. So, 3 is divisible by this given number. Given number is divisible by 3. Next, 96. 96 is divisible by 4. Check once. Do the division. 4 2's 8 minus 1 6 as it is. 4 4's 16 minus 0. So 4 into 24 is equal to 96. Without leaving any remainder, it is divisible means it is also whole number is divisible by 4. It is divisible. 1's place 0 is there, 6 is there. If you want to divisible by 5 means 1's place should be 0 or 5. But here they given 6. So not divisible. 6 table with 2 and 3 divisible means automatically 6 is divisible. And divisible by 9. Divisible by 9. Sum of the digits 18. 18 will come in the 9 table. That is 9 2's 18. 9 2's 18. So 9 also divisible. 1's place 6 is there. So 10 is not divisible. Next, the last number, that is 5. Fifth question. 6 place 6488. 1's place 8 is there. 8 is an even number. So it is divisible by 2. Divisible by 3. Sum of the digits. 6 plus 4 plus 8 plus 8 is equal to 6 plus 4 10. 10 plus 8 18. 18 plus 8. 18 in the mind. Take 8 fingers. 18 after. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. 26 will come in the 3 table. Once read that. Not coming. So, 26 is not divisible by 3. last two digits 88. It is divisible by 4. Check once. 4 to the 8. 8 minus 8 0. Again take 8. Again 4 to the 8. We got the remainder as 0 means it is divisible by 4. 1's place 8 is 8. So it is not divisible by 5. 2 and 3. 2 divisible means then only divisible by 6. But here 2 divisible, 3 not divisible means not divisible by 6. Again 9. Sum of the digits 26. In 9 table we will get 26. 9 1 9. 9 2 is 18. 9 3 is 27. 26 is not divisible by 9. Why? Because 26 not coming in the 9 table. 1's place 8 is there. So in 10 table also not divisible. Like this you have to check. Okay. Same like this in your textbook page number 114. 114. Up to 5 I explained. Remaining 6, 7, 8. Remaining 3 questions is there. These 3 you have to check like this divisibility rules and which one you are getting answer. Write that one. This is your homework today. So what is your homework today, children? Complete in textbook page number 114. That is exercise 6.6. Okay? Exercise 6.6, this bit. This is your homework. If you are perfect in divisibility rules, then this becoming as easy. So, read carefully, then do the homework. This is your homework today. Thank you.